What's good, you guys? We are back with another POV drive to work. I know it's been a minute, but I've been very busy with, school, work, and stuff. Sorry for not getting the uploads out, but we are back to recording. Hopefully we don't take another little break like that again. But right now, just gonna wait for the car to warm up. We will catch you guys back once we are ready. Okay. Car is getting warm. I work at 11:45. Let's see if we can make it on time. It has been a minute, guys. I do know. I went to a little festival over the weekend. I went to a festival. I had a bunch of homework, school, tests, exams. You guys know how it is. But we are back. Set up all these fucking trash cans. This weather's been so bipolar, it's kind of crazy. Modifying this car already, but I feel like as soon as I get the money, something fucking happens, and it's like, no, now I can't buy coilovers, now I can't buy wheels. It's so annoying. So just gotta be patient, So I'm only working part-time. I'm not making any money off YouTube. Not even modifications that I'm worried about right now. I need to buy those motor mounts. I keep saying that I'm gonna buy them. Oh fuck. You guys saw that accident, or almost accident. Some people do not know how to drive, that's insane. I went to Beyond over the weekend. It's like a rave festival, and I'm not a raver. I don't really like that kind of music, but dude, it was so much fun. Like the visuals were crazy at all the different stages. It wasn't just like hard techno music either. Like that kind of music is cool, and I did kind of grow to like it. But I'm more of like house music, I would say. So it was a lot of fun though. It was 2 days. We spent Friday, Saturday, Sunday up there. Third day was just us coming back down, but depression right now. Every song I listen to, I'm like bopping my head trying to dance to it. It's so bad. But it was a lot of fun. Yesterday, after I got off of school, I went to my girlfriend's house and we were watching The Office, and I'm just scrolling on my phone on Facebook Marketplace looking at cars. I don't know why I do that. Like, I already have the car that I want, you know, and I'm still looking at like S2000s, MR2s, even Miatas. Always looking at other cars, and then I sit there and I compare. I think I'm like taking for granted what I have, you know. Then I get in this thing to come drive home or drive to work. Every single time it'll put a smile on my face. Freaking love this thing. To do much to it. I think I should make a video like that actually. Of the cars that I would want in the future. There's this kid at my school. I got there kind of late. I got there. I think one of my classes got canceled or something, so I had to park all the way on the top floor. And I'm just chilling in my car because class didn't start for another like 20 minutes. And bro, I hear like ba 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 ba. I'm like, oh crap, it's a BMW. I already know. You can already tell. So I turn around. This guy has a M3 comp, like brand new M3 comp. Like all of his buddies are sitting in the back, and I'm like, bro. He was just trying to back up into his parking spot, and every time he touched the throttle, bah, 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 bah. I was like, oh my god. That thing was nice though. There are always some sick ass cars at my school. I just had steak pasta. Literally right before I started filming. I was like, fuck, I gotta eat something right before I head to work. My stomach is hurting. Like, I feel it. My stomach's gonna be upset today. I really do need to change my motor mounts. Every time I'm shifting, I can feel like a vibration in the engine. Like I can feel it move a little bit. And then like my shifter, it moves when I let off throttle. That's one thing I gotta do. I gotta do that. I need to add more power steering fluid. I think I'm low on power steering fluid because sometimes my steering wheel feels heavy. gear, stay right here. Holy. I've been learning the power band on this car a little bit better. Up in San Bernardino, we're driving from our hotel to like the venue. Bro, it was all like, not mountain pass, but there were like tiny little roads that were, you know, like windy, and they were fun to drive. And well, that was the first time kind of doing driving like that. I've never done Touge driving before, so I'm learning to downshift, rev match, you know. I still need to learn how to heel toe. My feet are so fucking small. But yeah, driving those little twisty roads, dude, it was fun. It was fun. And I basically the entire time I'm staying in either second or third gear. I don't have to drop that into fourth that much. Do another nighttime driving home POV. I really like the way that one came out. Like that, I don't know. I don't think there's a point. Good though, I hate being rushed to go to work. Jesus Christ, bro. Let's fucking pay attention. Okay, you guys, we made it to my job. That was honestly really quick, dude. We made it in pretty good time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and chill right before work. I appreciate you guys clicking on the video. I've been actually getting a lot of support. I appreciate you guys watching the video. I know they're longer videos, so it's hard to watch the entire thing. I'll try and, you know, condense it down as best that I can, but I really do appreciate you guys for liking, commenting. I do read every single comment, subscribing. I really like doing these, you know, YouTube POVs, and I hope you guys, you know, like it too. So with that said, we're gonna end it here. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.